What's this ball for? Ooh, yeah! Whoa! She's coming out. Alrighty everyone, welcome back to the Sned Shed. We are going to take a little bit of a break from our 1986 Toyota Land Cruiser project to work on this. It is a 1991 Skyline GTR. It needs a few things. It needs some trim pieces put back on. It needs some new window molding, etc. Reason for all that is it is unfortunately time to sell this baby so that we can fund our other projects, and hopefully one day we'll be able to build one of these. So yeah, we've already done some work to this to kind of get it ready to sell. We put new coilovers in it. We rebuilt the power steering pump, just a few like odds and ends, and it's time, unfortunately. So stay tuned, hope you enjoy. It's also hotter than a dog's mouth out here, so that's gonna be fun. First and foremost, we ordered some of the window moldings because they were, if you see this one back here, they were kind of, you know, tearing away, just kind of ugly. So we ordered some of those. We also ordered the ones for the front. We started taking the front ones off. That's why there is none up here. So we need to put some special sealant stuff on there when we put the top one on, and the other ones just click in, I believe. All right, so what we're using is this stuff, Auto Glass Polyurethane Adhesive by Birkland. I looked it up, and apparently this is what you're supposed to use. I don't know. I've never even put any glass sealant, whatever you want to call it, on anything in my life. So we're gonna see how it goes. Let's cut the little tip off. Ooh, I might have cut too much off. Oh well. You ever used a caulk gun?
I use a caulk gun all the time.
Me either. You're supposed to shake it up?
I don't know.
Ooh. What's this ball for? How am I supposed to get the caulk gun in there with the ball? Is it just so it sounds like spray paint? Looks like it has erectile dysfunction. Whoa! She's coming out. All right, we got the front windshield trim put in. Looks 10 times better than it did. And we got the rear put in. Also looks very nice. If you look down here, it's very nice. Especially if you compare it to what it looked like before. Now, the only other thing we need to do is change the floor mats, give it a good clean inside and out. But before we do that, we are going to try to repaint the front lip. So we're gonna go take that off, sand it down, and give it a fresh layer of paint, just because it looks kind of ugly. Not that it really, I don't know. With these kinds of things, you never really know what's gonna add value, but it's kind of hit some curbs. So we're gonna try and take it off, see what we can do with it. Okay, we got it all painted. If I had to give a review of this paint, I would say it's good. The finish comes out nice, but the can kind of sprays like crap. So you kind of have to be good, but I mean, it looks pretty nice. And it definitely looks a lot better than it did. So let's go get it back on the car. And then all we have to do is clean it, put the new floor mats in, and get to ripping. Perfect in every way, drives nice, we got new coilovers on it. So I bought this car back in 2015 and I paid $22,000 for it. My first big purchase. Was my daily driver for a while. It was the only car I had for a while, so I drove it everywhere. I bought it with 135,000 kilometers on it, and right now it has 200,000 kilometers. I have driven it from Texas to New Mexico to Washington State, and now it's in Florida. So needless to say, I've had it for a long time and I've driven it a lot, driven it hard, and I mean, just listen to the noises that it makes. Ooh, yeah. like an ant back there. He was so far away. You can't not put your foot to the floor every time you accelerate when you're driving this car. It's impossible. Gotta brake. Gotta brake for the fishermen. You're welcome, sir. This dude's gonna go catch a big one. Big old fish. And just like that, this baby is ready for sale. We got the new window trim put on. We got the new floor mats inside. We got the front lip repainted. And everything's good to go on this baby. So in the next video, we're gonna be back working on the 1986 Land Cruiser. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We have a lot of work to do, but we're pretty excited for it. As always, thank you so much for watching. We would appreciate it if you would like and subscribe. We are the Sned Shed. We will catch you on the next one.